YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks, back with another video, and today we're gonna open up something beautiful for your YouTube channel. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you're notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So today we are looking at the LensGo LYM-DMM2. That's a lot of letters and numbers. It's a super cardioid microphone so that you can pick up a beautiful sound for your YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, show you an initial review, test it out as well, and see how well it does. So without further ado, let's find out. So there we go. You were able to unbox the LensGo Hyper Cardioid mic. As you can see here, it's quite the design. It's made out of metal, so it is a bit heavy. The quality of mic is quite well. Again, it's metal, made out of metal. That's pretty good. The handle itself is plastic. This is quite nice. It needs to get puffed up a bit, but I'm sure it'll do its job. It also comes with a couple of cables. I believe one of them is a TRS cable for your smartphone. So this will work on smartphones with headphone jacks, or if you have an iPhone, you'll be using a dongle. Remember the dongle that sticks to your iPhone? And it also has a normal TRS to TRS cable. So that's pretty cool. So it's pretty easy to install. All you need to do is take one of these cables, make sure it's the TRS side. There you go. And this will go to your DSLR. Again, you can do the same thing on the other cable, but the TRRS, the one with the 3 lines right there. So now let's go ahead and test it out. Check, check, check. This is a test with the LensGo mic mounted to the Panasonic G9. This is a test for the Panasonic G9 native microphone. Now this is a test for the LensGo mic connected to the Comica CVM AX3. Now that we just finished testing on our Panasonic G9, we're gonna go ahead and use our smartphone. So what you need to use now is unplug this from our LensGo mic. What you need to install is this one now. So put that behind the mic like that, and this will go to your smartphone. So with this smartphone now, if you have an iPhone that is newer than iPhone 6s Plus, you will need a dongle. But if you have a smartphone that has a headphone jack, just like the iPhone 6s or older, then you'll be able to just attach it right in there. Just like that. Real easy. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Here we go. Now this is a test from the iPhone 6s Plus without the LensGo mic. Now this is a test with the LensGo mic attached to the iPhone 6s directly to the headphone jack. So right now we're gonna go ahead and test out the mic, how well it does during a drive. We're gonna go ahead and see how it compares to the Panasonic G9 native mic. Right now I'm using the LensGo mic, so let's go ahead. Here we go. Now let me know what you think about the audio as I'm talking right now. Just a nice beautiful day here in Edmonton. Always raining. We haven't got a beautiful weather here yet, but we're making the most out of it. So whatever we get, right? So as long as it's sunny, as soon as it's sunny, we're out to the beach. Well, we're out to the lake or somewhere where we can hike. So that's pretty cool. So let me know what you think of the audio, and can you hear the road noise right now? Now how does it compare for the native mic from the Panasonic G9? Right now I unhooked the LensGo mic and I just have the Panasonic G9 native mic going on right now. Let me know what you think. Hello, I also use my DJI Osmo Pocket for my vlogging needs. So right now we are using the LensGo mic on our DJI Osmo Pocket. We're gonna test this out compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket. We're also outside right now enjoying the beautiful rainy day. And let me know what you think of this audio, if you can hear the road noise or anything like that. Now this is another test, the native mic from the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let me know what you think of the road noise as well. Can you hear me better or can you hear me worse? I know the DJI Osmo Pocket is not a very good mic built. It doesn't have a very good internal mic. So I think this is a very good test comparing with the mic with the LensGo mic compared to the native mic. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for being part of this review of the LensGo LYM-DMM2. Let me know in the comments below if it's good or not. If it helped you on your YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button below. It also helps me if you subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you want to get one yourself, I'll link it down in the description below. Let me know in the comments below how I can improve on my videos to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!